Hey everybody, this is Fred with RedlineMuscleCars.com and RedlineAutosports.com. This is our number matching 74 Z28 Camaro. It is the original motor. Power steering, power disc brakes, no air. 354 speed. This car runs, drives, and looks excellent. It is beautiful inside and out. This is the original interior. It is not restored. Very nice for original. Tacking gauges, AM FM stereo, 354 speed. It's not perfect, but it's pretty beautiful. So cool. Little moth popped up. Love my Firestone neon. This is the first video I'm shooting with it in the background, and I think it's a pretty cool effect. You can see over there on the driver's side seat where you get in, there's an orange spot. That's the only bad spot in all the interior. Original dash. Carpet's been replaced, but original door panels, uppers and lowers, original seat covers, original console, original headliner. Beautiful driver paint. It really looks cool. It's just a great car. We just got these Z28 stripes applied from Phoenix Graphics. They really make the car look cool. Y'all come see us at RedlineMuscleCars.com. Call or text Fred at 580-221-4326. Thanks. Y'all have a blessed and awesome day.